getting clients isn't luck. It's just math. Most people want results without obedience. They send a handful of messages and they all get rejected. And then they just get scared, discouraged, and retreat. That's not business. That's simply just emotion. Cold outreach converts at about 1 to 3%. So let's just round it off and say 2%. That means for every 50 messages you send, you get 1 yes. You want 5 clients? That's 250 messages. You want 10 clients? That's 500 messages. That's it. Every message you send sharpens you, because when you're starting out, you don't have a lot of knowledge about cold outreach, communication, copy, sales tactics, and all that good stuff. But the more you send messages out and the more you get rejected, you can take that data and then you can transform it and implement it and make your cold outreach messages even better. So every no is actually helping you craft a message in a sales copy that will help you convert more clients in the future the more you outreach. Opportunity only favors a man who's already moving. You are not chasing luck. You're just stacking reps. Because quite frankly, luck is just when preparation meets opportunity. Farmers don't cry when their first seed doesn't sprout. They keep on planting. Rejection isn't a signal to stop. It's a confirmation that you're still in the game. And to keep it real with you guys, sometimes I even feel like I just want to quit sending out messages and cold DMs, because a big majority of them don't even respond back. A little majority of them do respond back but aren't interested. Then only a tiny percent, like that 2% of cold outreach emails, actually convert a client. So just keep on sending those messages. There's no reason to stop. Consistency is key. And if you stop sending out messages, don't expect any results. You have to put in the effort, the hours, the hard work, sleepless nights, early mornings. You gotta do it all. You plan out specific days when you send out messages. So, for example, what I did is say send 10 cold outreach emails a day to businesses. So what you do first is just create a whole list, a whole spreadsheet of all the businesses, all of their contact information, all of their websites, everything, their social media handles, point of contact in that company, everything. Put it all in a big spreadsheet. And when you have a whole database of leads you can reach out to, start by reaching out to 10 a day. 10, 10, 10, and go throughout the week. And then you are bound to get some replies if you do that. Do not write all the copy on your own. Please use Claude or ChatGPT. Use something to help you. What I do is feed it all that database and say, write a personalized cold outreach email to every single one of them. Personalizes each email to a specific company. And that is super helpful. You can use like information scanners. Like there's a Chrome extension you can just get, which scans the whole info on a website. So what I do is go Google Maps, search up the business I want to reach out to, click on the Chrome extension, and then it basically reads all the information, takes everything, the emails, the website, the social media, the names, everything. And then you can just copy and paste it, put it in your database. It's really that simple. Keep it consistent. When you're running low, do that process again, Google Maps, go to the information, put in a spreadsheet, send personalized emails every day. It's a repeating cycle, and you are eventually going to get hits. But make sure to refine your emails every week or so, using the information or the feedback the clients gave you. Because if you're trying to fish for sharks with a tiny worm, it's not going to work. You have to use bigger fish to fish for sharks. So don't stay stagnant. Keep on moving, and don't stop, because luck will follow. So right now, email 10 clients a day for a whole week. Just make that simple, add it as a task on your to-do list, and just keep on sending.